This one portfolio landed me 3 clients in 2 weeks, and today I'll be showing you the inside look. So I'm a virtual assistant from Nigeria. I've worked with clients, and today I'll be showing my actual portfolio setup. If you are just starting, you can grab the template in the description below. So this is my virtual assistant portfolio here on Canva. So I'll just click on publish website for a better view. So here you see my virtual assistant portfolio. So this first part is the intro part. Here you put here's my profile picture, my name, and then what do I do? I'm a virtual assistant. Over here I just put in a little summary of me. My skills: create freedom, help you grow, and success will find you. So the next page, what do I bring to the table? So this statement I made just to make it look creative. So you can in yours when you get the template, you can just say my skills or get to know more about me, something of that sort. So here, under here, we have expertise. This is my expertise: social media management, data entry, research, video editing. And then your soft skills: how will the client be able to relate with you? You put in your soft skills. Here I have proactiveness, attention to detail, tech savvy, effective communication. So to make the client to be able to know you more and know your background, where you got this where you learned this skill from, you have to put in all the courses you had and the certificates. Over here I put in my certificate, a screenshot of my certificate. So if you have more than one certificate, you can also throw them in here to make you look more trustworthy and authentic. Who have you worked with? All the places you've worked with, you place them here. Then over here, this is the main part of this portfolio. Here I put, first of all, you have to put in your project, screenshots of the project. So what I'm trying to do here is, in case if the client wants doesn't have enough time to check my project individually, he has an overview, and this is visually appealing. Like you can see, this shows that, oh, as a virtual assistant you actually understand client needs, and also it's representing who you are. So if you notice, I have the heading of each of my projects here. So when you click on each of them, it takes you to, for example, I click on web design, it takes you to my web design page, which I created using wix.com. So this is still loading, and each of them, when you click on each of them, it takes you to the project proper. So for example, here also I have video editing. You click on this, you take you to this video I edited, and also this graphic design. And also, if you get my template, you are going to have a bonus of all these projects. They are also in the template when you purchase it. So that is it about the project. So scrolling down, I have my tools. So this, my tools, basically is what tools do you use in working for as a virtual assistant. I have Google Workspace, Microsoft Office Suite, Canva, CapCut, Clipchamp, and Mailchimp, and all the rest. So what I want you to do here is, your tools should relate to the project you have. Don't put a tool which does not relate to the project you have here. So when you're putting your tools should relate to your project and your skills, which I've listed above. So if you notice, you see that my portfolio has a context which is following. So from skills, I have projects, I have tools, so it's relating to one another. Down here I just put in this visual appealing picture of books arranged, and here a quote saying, success is not how high you have climbed, but how you have make it positive difference to the world, by Roy T. Bennett. And over here, if the client needs my services, I put a screenshot. This shows, oh, this a fast look of my resume. And if you want to go to my resume, click here and go to my resume. And also my request form, I also embedded a request form here. So you want to request my services, he or she just puts in his or her email. Just click on email and just put his or her email here. For example, just type in your email at gmail.com, whatever. And then here, over here, what is your name? You put your name, client puts his or her name, service to be rendered, what services does he want, his phone number, duration of the contract, and hit submit, and I'll get an email notifying me of this request form. Also, if he doesn't want to fill this, he wants to go to my form proper, I click on this link and it takes you to virtual assistant form, and when he fills the form, I'm going to receive an email showing me the request. Okay, going down, well, will you like to work with me? Will the client want to check out my other profile? Here's my LinkedIn link. So just click here, have my LinkedIn link and my email address, which is success1 at electricsuccess@1@gmail.com. So what you need to take out from my portfolio now is that if you look, I have specific fonts I use, the colors of my fonts, and the relation of each page to one another. Let's take a look at the colors. I use just white, black, and a purple in my portfolio, and this just shows a clean and professional layout. And the fonts, if you look at the fonts, are very simple and easy to understand. The relations from my intro to what to my skills, to my certificates, who I've worked with, my projects, relating them to the tools I use, and then showcasing my services and how you can reach out to me, and also my other profile. So this is my portfolio. If you would like to, if you don't want to start from scratch, you can purchase my portfolio template, which I linked in the description box. And in my next video, I'm going to show you how to use the portfolio template.